Hey, are you looking at Tranzact Card, wondering if it is a network marketing opportunity that you should get involved in or if you should stay far away from this opportunity? Well, if you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space. And today I'm going to tell you about Tranzact Card and what is going on with it so you know exactly what is happening and you can make an informed decision for yourself whether it is something that you should get involved in. Now, Transact Card is basically a company who makes hype claims about being the next Amazon and being able to service people all over the world based on their debit card that people use for whatever they need to buy, and they get cash back rewards known as Z-Bucks, right? So, basically this company is claiming that they're going to be like the next, Amazon. But the thing about them is they're a network marketing company that restricts the way that you market the opportunity, right? So they tell you how you can market it and how you can't market it and what you should do and what you shouldn't do. And they claim that it is protecting the company. But the problem with that is if you have a network marketing opportunity and you're building your own email list and you're sending people to your own custom pages, you're inviting them first, right? Before they ever get into their system, right? So it's invite first. And using online is a new way of marketing. If you're still marketing offline, then you're really, missing the boat, and you're going to run out of leads. You're going to run out of people to talk to, and it's just not going to be good, right? And the things that have been going on with, Transact Card lately, don't really look good. Basically, as of yesterday, they lost their payment processors with the U.S. banks. So basically, how payment processing works is it works through merchant accounts. So there's only a handful of merchant accounts that people really use, and with network marketing, it's known as high risk, which means the merchant will really hesitate to take on a network marketing kind of opportunity. So there are some high risk merchants that network marketing companies can use, but you have to go through a serious process, which means the merchant will come to either your house or your business and check it out, and then they want to look at different things, because basically what the merchant does is the merchant isn't the bank, but the merchant holds all the bank account information and and routing numbers, card numbers, things like that. So if a company has the merchant account shut down, it doesn't matter what banks they go to, right? Because everything goes to the merchant accounts. The merchant accounts hold the customer information, and if their merchant accounts go down, then that means that eventually they will be unable to pay the affiliates, right? So basically, that's one of the worst things that could happen. And if they're not able to get the merchant accounts up and they're not able to connect with U.S. banks, is going to be really bad for the company, because you can't just do business with foreign banks, and you need a merchant account, right? So the merchant account has to accept you as a client, right? And you have to go through a serious process to get approved by a merchant, and the merchant stands as the processor between you and the bank, right? So it's not the same thing as a bank. People are saying, well, they'll just go to a different bank. No, that's not how it works. Basically, the merchant account is the bank, right? The merchant account is what processes your payments from the bank. So basically, it's what holds your data. If you're a business owner, your merchant account is everything, right? It deals with the banks. It interacts with the banks, right? If you don't have a merchant account, you're in deep water. You're in deep shit. So just understand that it doesn't look good for this company, and making claims that they're going to be the next Amazon, that's just hype, right? You don't want to actually tell somebody that you're going to be the next Amazon, or you're going to do this, or you're going to do that, or you're going to be a multi-million-dollar company. That's not favored, right? if you're going to do something like that, just do it. Don't talk about it, right? And you should always put the affiliates first. The people that are building your business, put them first, right? And they've already had a lot of red tape as it is with different things legally. And it just doesn't look good. They haven't even been around for a year and already making these claims. And they're just stringing people along is what it seems like. But we will see, right? People don't want to hear the truth. I'm here to tell you the truth. When I see things like this, it's a red flag for me. And I would tell you not to put all your eggs in one basket. If you are promoting this, then that's fine. But don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't depend on this to be your solid foundation of how you're going to build your business online. Don't do that, because if something happens with this company and you put everything into this, then you're going to be very, very disappointed at what happens, because you can't make claims like this and not have merchant accounts at that, right? So it doesn't look good for them, right, as far as the company goes. And I've seen a lot of companies like this come and go and everything like that. You can't make certain claims as far as money. You can't make certain claims about what you're going to be, how big you're going to grow. You're just hyping people up as far as the business goes, right? And hype never is good. You want to tell people the truth in your marketing. You want to be honest with them. And you don't want to lead people on, because this is their livelihood. This is how they make their money. This is how they support their families. So if you make false claims as a company, then people are going to know that, and they're going to remember you and how you do business with them, right? So you got to be very, very conscious about how you actually, present an opportunity, right? So they're still getting people to sign up, right? They're still getting people to come on board. But you have to be very careful about how you present these kind of opportunities, and to get the best results with them. It's always important to have your own systems set up in place, right? So that way they come through your system and you collect your own leads, and they come through your funnel, right? So they come through and they see stuff about you. And before you sell any kind of company, you should always promote yourself first. So promote yourself first if you want to get the best results possible. Don't go around, plastering this name everywhere, because you're not in control of this name. You're not in control of this company. So if something happens to the company and you're promoting it and you're putting it all over the internet, and people know about it, right? They're gonna think badly about you. Like you had them give you their trust, and then what they trusted you on fell through, right? So you always want to be ethical about how you market anything, and I would not suggest promoting the company name. Always promote yourself, and whatever you offer is what you offer, but I suggest having a custom marketing system around this offer, so that way you retain your leads first, and then it goes to whatever system that they go through, because their pages as it isn't going to convert very high as far as any kind of results for traffic. So you want to get people to it. And when you have your business online, people could come to your YouTube videos, people could come to your Facebook, your social media. They could opt in, they could give you their name and their email, and then they could see a video which tells them about the opportunity, right? But again, I would not put all my eggs in one basket. I would really build your own brand first. So if this company goes down, you still have your own brand. And you could build this, right? But just keep in mind that it may go down very, very quickly within the next year or so. I don't anticipate it being around longer than a year, right? It will be one of those here today, gone tomorrow kind of opportunities. And a lot of companies that deal with banking kind of stuff, it's very, very sketchy, because you're dealing with the FTC, you're dealing with banking, regulations and things like that. There's a lot of red tape and everything like that. And pretty much any kind of opportunity that tells me how to market their opportunity and tells me that I can't market a certain way, I'm not going to promote that, right? Because you want me to promote your opportunity, but you're telling me how to market my business. You're telling me that I can't market my business online. You're telling me that I have to do old school ways of face-to-face, marketing that just doesn't work, that nobody has time for, that you'll run out of leads, run out of people to talk to, and are not very targeted. You always want to have your target market, your targeted people who really have an interest in marketing, right? You just don't want to go out and talk to everybody. What they've told you when it comes to going out and talking to everybody that you know, that's a lie, and that's going to build bad relationships with people. That's going to build, that's going to build a lot of hatred towards you. And if you get a family member involved, they're going to hate you. If something happens, you got to be careful about who you involve in business, right? Because it could destroy a relationship, right? You want to only go after people who really have an interest in marketing, right? And over here at the Profit Builders Alliance, which is our team group, we have Profit Builders Traffic. So if you've been looking for high quality traffic to promote your offers and to be able to get people to your offers, get high quality people who really want what you have to offer, come over here to Profit Builders Traffic, and you'll realize that we're here to help you. So pretty much you're gonna come over here, you're gonna place an order, and when you order from me, I make sure that your traffic is targeted to the offers that you're promoting. I want to make sure that your landing page and your offer are congruent. And you want to make sure that the traffic that you are getting is high quality, real people, 100% real people, and they have an interest in what you have to offer. And what I've learned the hard way is that not all paid traffic is created equally. When you get traffic from me, you're getting a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you're getting a mix of those different sources. And what I will do for you is when you get a traffic package from me, I help you to set up and manage your funnels and your offers. I give you the highest converting pages that convert up to a 85% opt-in rate. Now it's a 90% opt-in rate, just so you know. And that testimonial is below on this page as well, so you can check out the testimonials on this page also. And I will help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates that come through your funnels. You want to get a high opt-in rate with conversions, and you want to have a good system of explaining what people will get, and you want to also have your own bonuses. So you want to have something that helps you to stand out from everybody else in this opportunity, and we can help you to create that, right? And I also want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, who really have an interest. So this process starts in three simple steps. You basically, step one, get your package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the one that's best for you. Tier 1 basically means English speaking country. So the higher up the tier 1 is, the more quality traffic you'll get. You want to get 100% tier 1 if you can. That's always going to be your best. And then we do a campaign review. If you book a call with me after you order, you can actually do a campaign review, which is a strategy call, and I give you a strategy to build and grow your business online, so you know exactly what to do on a day-to-day basis and get support, right? Step 3 is we launch within 72 hours or less, depending on when you book the call with me. I want you to get the best results possible, so I don't want you just to do this blindly and just waste your money and blow your money like you may have in the past. I want to actually give you feedback, so I would highly suggest booking that call. And here's the testimonials right here. Here's the one that I said, 90% opt-in rate with 3 sales on 200 clicks, and there's plenty of testimonials right here, so you can take a look for yourself. Here's 90% tier 1 traffic, so you just book a package if you want that. Here's 100% tier 1. You can get a package right here if that's something that you want to do as well. Here's some questions that people ask, so chances are your questions are going to be answered in this section right here, so take a look at this. And here's my guarantee to you: when you book a traffic package from me, I cannot issue refunds because this is paid traffic. So understand that I don't like to issue refunds because it is paid traffic, and I want to keep my processors good in good standing. So I will compensate you in traffic if you have any issues with your order. I will make sure you get everything that you order, right? So just reach out to me if you have any questions at all, any problems at all. You can leave a message down here as well, or reach out to me on Facebook. Gio Ambrose Gianta, that is my Facebook page. So if you need to reach me, you can reach me at the bottom of this page or on my Facebook page. That's what I suggest to get in contact with me as quick as possible. And I want you to get the best results possible. I want you to be a part of something solid. So when you grow something, it will be solid for you. And I want you to feel good about everything that you're offering people. So, if you're ready to get traffic, if you're ready to get support, I also offer that strategy call, and it's something that you would want to book with me to get the best results possible. So that way you do get support and you're not left alone to try to figure this all out on your own. So if you got value from this video, make sure you click on the link below this video to come to this traffic page, and you can order your package below this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, because I post a lot of videos every single day, and you're going to want to be on this channel, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like this video, or tell me your feedback or thoughts on Tranzact Card and what is actually happening and what you believe to happen within the near future. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I may have already said that, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.